Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your mail. First, you'll want to select a trustworthy email provider, such as Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo Mail. These services offer robust features and widespread compatibility. Next, consider if you prefer accessing your mail through a web browser or a dedicated desktop application. Finally, gather your personal details, including your chosen email address and a strong, unique password. This foundational step ensures a smooth setup process. When selecting a provider, remember that many offer generous storage, often 15 gigabytes or even more, for your messages and attachments. For those who prefer a dedicated application, desktop clients like Thunderbird or Apple Mail provide advanced organizational tools and offline access. Always prioritize providers and clients that offer strong security features, including options for two-factor authentication, to protect your personal information effectively. Making an informed choice here is crucial. Now, let's configure your account. Begin by navigating to your chosen provider's website or launching your desktop email client. Look for a clear option to create account or add account. You'll then be prompted to enter your personal details, your desired email address, and a robust password. If you're using a desktop client, you might need to manually input server settings like IMAP or POP3, which are usually provided by your email service. This step brings your new inbox to life. To finalize your setup, you'll typically need to verify your account, often through a confirmation email or a text message to your phone number. For paramount security, always enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection. Make it a habit to regularly update your password and remain vigilant against suspicious phishing emails. Finally, take some time to explore useful features like email filters for organization and personalized signatures to enhance your communication. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.